Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix the DNS server not responding error. If you can't access your website, I will help you get back online quickly with a few simple steps. Step 1. Restart your router or modem. First, let's restart your router or modem. Just turn it off, wait 10 seconds, and turn it back on. This often solves the problem. It's still not working, don't worry, we have more steps to try. Step 2. Change your DNS server. Next, we will change your DNS server, which could be the problem. We are going to use Google's DNS instead. Open Control Panel and go to Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your connection and pick Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Then click Properties again. Now choose Use the following DNS server addresses and type these numbers. For preferred DNS, enter 8.8.8.8. For alternate DNS, enter 8.8.4.4. Click OK. Restart your browser and see if the error is gone. Step 3. Clear DNS cache. If that did not fix it, we can try clearing the DNS cache. This helps remove old or bad data. Open command prompt as an admin. Type config//DNS. Press enter and we will see a success message. Now restart your computer and click if the problem is solved. Step 4. Turn off IPv6. Sometimes a setting called IPv6 can cause the trouble. Let's turn it off. Go back to Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center. Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your connection and choose Properties. Uncheck the Internet Protocol version 6. Click OK. Then restart your computer. Check your internet again to see if that fixed it. Step 5. Update network drivers. Sometimes your network drivers are out of the date, can cause the error. Let's update them. To update, open Driver Manager by clicking the Start button. Find Network Adapters and right-click on your adapter. Choose Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. After updating, restart your computer and see if the internet is working. That's it. Those are the best way to fix the DNS server not responding error. Let me know in the comment if one of these steps worked for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.